let you bask in the beauty of this beautiful sari. This is a printed sari, and Vanakkam Sunita here for Vasthram Silk. Welcome back to this beautiful episode of wonderful collections that we always bring before you. And let's open up the sari. This is a zero zari pure thread work sari, silk sari with the contrast blouse and a korvai collection. That is the pallu, which has got no zari at all, on which we have done a world map printed. It's a digital printed beauty, one of its kind. I have single piece collection for now, and I just tried something and it came out very beautiful. I wanted it the way it has also turned out the same way, coming close to the work on the body, on the pallu. It's completely thread woven. Okay, body is korvai, again thread woven. Three styles of stripes, 4 colors used on the border. Over here you have those temples, and on the blouse also it's a red color blouse with the border. On body, what we have done is we have done a printing of world map. Sari nange kitkondoge full world map torsi. Oh, that's come out really beautiful, and the edging, surf, everything has come out good. That was very much which I liked. I asked for some new prints, and I got this done from my designer, and I really loved it. Look at those compass, and you have those boats, and you have the world map. The whole stretch is this. Where the border ends is the whole stretch of map. You have Arctic Ocean, Russia, India. Hope India is renamed as Bharat very soon. So that's one stretch, and the same thing repeats for 3 stretches, I guess. Just open the sari fully, ma. Ange hogta ide. So that's the first stretch. Again, you get a differentiating gap in between, and you go, which comes on your flits. Just go, keep going. Okay. It keeps going like this. It repeats itself, and it's come out really pretty. I'm saying you, this is a sari. It is a silk sari with the thread woven borders with digital prints, a beautiful work, and both side korvai border. It's looking amazing. So second is also over. 3 times the same thing comes. Finish mighty fast. Same thing comes, we set in a way that it comes as 3 times with a plain red blouse with the border. That's the sari, blouse torsi pallu eki. That is the sari for you. It's come out really pretty and soft and folly. Price is also really affordable and very, very economical. So the blouse, the pallu, and the border. The sari is available in our website. You can talk to any of our support colleagues and then get this ordered. I have a single piece for now, and more such creative collections would be coming with the support and love that you shower on us. Happy shopping. Welcome to Vasthram family, and let your wardrobe love what we give you. Happy shopping.